Hello friends at home. In this video I will be doing today's math lesson with you. We are on lesson 9.5, which begins on page 349. My friends here in the classroom are opened up to this page ready to go. And we are going to be subtracting from 20 or less. Remember, just like we did with our addition chapters in the last chapter we were in, each day we're going to work out different methods, different ways to do the subtraction. Sometimes it depends on what feels best for our brains, and sometimes it depends on what the problem is and what we're trying to figure out. Okay, so we're teaching you lots of different ways to subtract so that you can find the one that feels best for you. So on page 349 it says Kent makes 18 pans of rolls. So circle 18. We got 18 pans of rolls. And he sells 9 pans. So circle 9. How many pans are left? So first we have to figure out, what are we trying to solve? What's the question they're asking? He had 18 pans. That's the whole. 9 of them went away, and we want to know how many are left. So it's asking 18 take away 9 equals what? What's the other part? So here they drew out 18 circles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. They drew out 18. And then they circled 9. You know, I like to cross off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Goodbye. See you later. And that left 9. Another way you could think about this would be, you know your doubles. 9 plus 9 is 18. So 18 take away 9 must be 9. And then they're also showing you here how you can make a 10. Okay. Now it's saying we know that, sorry, there was something under the paper there. We know 9 plus 9 equals what? Well, 9 plus 1 equals 10. And if we take this 9 and break it into a 1 and an 8, then we have to bring back the 8, which would give us 18. So there are 9 pans left. Just a couple different ways to solve it. So let's look now at number 1 at the bottom of 349. It says 16 minus 8 equals, let's draw it out. So first we fill our 10 frame. If it's full, I know it's 10. I really don't even need to count the circles as I fill up the 10 frame. But now I need to count on to 16. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you should all be tracing your 16 counters in your book. And now it says take away 8. So I'm going to cross off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll put that here. And right here they're saying if you make a 10, so if you take this 8 and you break 8 into 6 and 2, now you've got 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 6 more equals 16. Okay? I think it's just as easy to draw the... Turn back a page, honey. You're always a page ahead of us. Right there. Okay? All right, let's look at number 2 now. We have 19 minus 10. Before I even draw anything out, I want you to think about it. What is 19? 19 is a 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. So if I'm minusing 10, that means I'm taking away 10. What am I going to have left over? Drew? 9. So I really don't even need to draw it out or map it out or anything. I know if I have 1 10 and 9 ones and I take away a 10, I'm going to have 9 left. If you wanted to draw it out, you could. So here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And we take away 10, so we'll just cross off our 10. There's our 9 left over. So 10 plus 9 equals 19. So 19 take away 10 equals 9. Okay, go ahead and turn to the back now. The way they write these out gets confusing because sometimes you're like, what are they wanting me to put on a line, Mrs. Bragg? I don't understand. So I will work through these ones with you, not to give you the answers, but just to show you what they're looking for on the lines, okay? So here it says 19 take away 7. So we can ask ourselves, what number plus 7 equals 19? Okay, so we know that if we have a 10 frame here, remember a 10 frame, we draw a rectangle, cut it in half, and then 4 lines down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have what number plus 7 would give us 19? Well, let's start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That much we know. And now let's keep going until we get to 19. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many did I draw? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if 19 minus 7 equals 12, then 12 plus 7 equals 19. We could also say 10 plus 2 plus 7. Is that what they're wanting us to do? I'm not sure what they're trying to have us do here. Ten plus 2 plus 7 equals 19. Looking at number 4, they have 15 minus 7. So we're saying what number plus 7 would give us 15? Okay, so now they're saying 8 plus some number will equal 15. So let's take our 10 frame here. Cut it in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we've got our 10 frame. Let's do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's keep going till we get to 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that left us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's our 8. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. Okay, now 8 plus what would get us to 10? 8 plus 2 would get us to 10. Plus 5 more would get us to 15. Looking at the last one, 17 take away 6 equals what number? Well, if I have some number plus 6 would give me 17. So let's go. Here's our 10 frame. And this time I'm going to go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got a 10. So there's 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many did we draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11 plus 6 equals 17. So 10 plus 1 plus 5, that doesn't make sense. 10 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6. 10 plus 1 plus 6. 11, 6 is 17. All right. Elaine has 17 pennies and 9 dimes. How many more pennies than dimes? So we're going to subtract. 17 take away 9 equals what number? Well, how can I get my 17? How can I get my 17 to 0? I'm sorry, to 10. How can I get my 17 to 10? Connor? Take away 7. So now I'm at 10, but 7 plus 2 is 9. So I still have this 2 here. So I have to take away 2 more. So 17 minus 7 equals 10. Minus 2 more equals 8. So Elaine has 8 more pennies than dimes. All right. Let's look now at the top of the next page here. 17 minus 6. How can I get from 17 to 10? Take away 7. Well, I don't have 7 to take away, so this time that won't work. So instead, what I'll do is say 6 plus what number equals 17. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's keep going till we get to 17. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many purple circles did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 plus 6, or 10 plus 1 plus 6 equals 17. Looking at 18, take away 6. To get to 10, I could take away an 8, but I don't have 8 to take away. So instead, let's draw our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's keep going until we get to 18. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 altogether. My purple part is 6. That's this. What's my orange part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So 12 plus 6 equals 18, or 10 plus 2 plus 6 equals 18. Okay, let's flip to the back now. We'll do a couple more, and then we'll be all done with math for the day. Okay, 18, take away 8. Ooh, this one feels easy peasy. If I have 18, how can I get to 10? Connor? Oh, well, 18 take away 8 would put me at 10, so I don't even need to fill this out. I can just say 18 take away 8 is 10, because 10 plus 8 equals 18. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Now this one's 18 take away 7, so I can't get to a 10 because I don't have 8 to take away. So instead, I'll start with my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my first part. That's this. Now I'll use orange for my second part, and we got to go up to 18. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now I have 18 altogether. My purple part is 7. What's my orange part? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 plus 7 equals 18, or 10 plus 1 plus 7 equals 18. All right, let's do the problem solving, and then we'll be done for the day. We're going to skip this. So it says Andrea buys 18 pears. So circle 18 pears. She buys 9 apples. How many more pears than apples does she buy? It says use your doubles fact to help you. Well, we know that 9 plus 9 equals 18, right? So 18 take away 9 must equal 9. So Andrea buys 9 more pears than apples. That's a fact, family. That's a lot of 9s. All right, friends at home, we will see you later. Bye.